I think you've got an award-winning recipe. Well, Howard has the details on a brand new contest if you've got what it takes. And to top that off, he's making a creamy chicken and ravioli skillet. All of that today in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
This time of year, the one thing that I keep hearing from so many of you is you just don't know what to make for dinner. So to help you out, we're super excited to be launching our Dinner in a Dash recipe contest, along with our friends at easyhomemeals.com. That means we're searching for winning recipes that we can share with you to ensure that dinner time is not only tasty, but it's stress-free. So if you have a family favorite recipe that uses 10 ingredients or less, is on the table in under 60 minutes, and uses at least 3 freezer case or dairy aisle shortcuts in it, then what are you waiting for? And by using a few refrigerated and frozen items in your recipe, it'll make this a breeze. That means if you submit the grand prize worthy recipe in the next few weeks, you could receive a $500 supermarket gift card, a signed Mr. Food Test Kitchen cookbook, plus a slew of coupons worth hundreds of dollars. And yes, we have great prizes for all the runner-ups as well. And until we reveal the winning recipes, why not try out our creamy chicken and ravioli